So now we've created these special effects. Well, we can go ahead and position them and put them into the project. The green orb, I can go up here to Edit, Fill Transform, or Free Transform, and place that up here because it looks like in this way it's sort of looking, it looks like she's looking at it if I put it up here, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and confirm that. Looks good. And then for the green orb, I'm going to make this bubbles, or better yet, I'll just call that green bubbles. And I'll select the paintbrush, and let's select green. And I'll zoom in here and start painting some little particles around this guy. I could probably go a little bit larger. Something like this to make it look like it was flying around a little bit. There we go. Now I want to show you the real trick here when it comes to making it, as far as the reflections go and making it look like the light of these orbs are shining on her face. I want to go ahead and show you how to create this illusion that they're really there and it's really happening. So I'm going to click on the girl layer down here, and before I do anything, what I'm going to do is create an adjustment layer and use a levels command to lower the brightness of this image, because when I do that, then that'll make the special effects stand out more. So I'll click or hold down the Alt key, which is the Option key on the Mac, and I'll click on this little button right here, the bottom of the layers palette, and then what I'll do is select levels right here. And I want to put a check in this box right here, and then go ahead and click OK. Then I can darken this a little bit. I probably won't need to brighten it much, just darken. That's good. And this is an adjustment layer, so we can come back to this and readjust it later on if we need to. I'm also going to click on the layer containing the girl and come up here to Image, Adjustments, and select Shadow Highlight. And I want to make sure that the shadow amount is turned all the way down, but for the highlight, I want to bring a little more texture back in her forehead there, because what's going to happen is that I'm looking at it going, well, it looks like the hot spots are just a little bit too hot on her face and on her forehead. So what I'm going to do is lower or increase the highlight amount here, which will lower the highlight amount. Okay, this is what it was before, but if I turn that up, it'll bring just a little bit more of that skin color in there. That looks good, and I'll go ahead and just click OK.